biggest and most controversial Supreme Court cases was called Roe versus Wade, and this one was a court case focusing on abortion. Um, whether it was between the right to choose or the right to life. The Supreme Court case is also a dispute between opposing parties resolved by a court or legal process. Um, Basically, the Roe versus Wade was a court case that was against Henry Wade, while Jane Roe fought for her right and her choice to adopt or abortion. Um, a final decision was made by the United States Supreme Court on the issue of abortion. Um, Basically, this was about a lady named Jane Roe who was a single Texas mother and wanted to have abortion considering the right to her privacy. Um, she decided that she would not be able to withstand a third child, so she took abortion into consideration. And according to the Texas law, because her life was not in danger, she could not proceed with an abortion. Um, all abortions had been banned except for those restrictly needed for mothers whose their own life would be endangered. So she filed against Henry Wade, who was the district attorney of Dallas County, for invading her right to privacy in the First, Fourth, Fifth, Ninth, and 14th Amendment. So there's quite a few amendments there. Um, the due process clause of the 14th Amendment has been found to protect certain fundamental rights of people against government laws and actions. So she brought this to the court. Um, okay, so how this has affected me is not really me personally, but I know a few people that have had to make the decision between abortion and not aborting. And for this court case, unfortunately for Roe, the decision came too late towards the right of abortion and was impregnated. And this was during the year of 1969, and she gave her child up for adoption because she knew she wouldn't be able to support this child. Um, this Supreme Court case decision was finalized in 1973 with a 7-2 vote in favor for her constitutional rights and privacy. Um, so yeah, that's how it has affected me in a way because I've had to listen to a few situations that I know about.